Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. We all need people who will give us feedback. That's how we improve. Patience is a key element of success. The belief that the world is getting worse, that we can't solve extreme poverty and disease, isn't just mistaken. It's harmful. Everyone needs a coach. It doesn't matter whether you're a basketball player, a tennis player, or a gymnast. Don't compare yourself with anyone in this world. If you do so, you are insulting yourself. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. Television is not real life. In real life, people actually have to leave the coffee shop and go to jobs. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. If you are born poor, it's not your mistake, but if you die poor, it's your mistake. Life is not fair. Get used to it. As we look ahead into the next century, leaders will be those who empower others.